You come right here, you look at everything. Again, your battery goes right here. This is on the driver's side. Look for this connection right here. That connection right there is the culprit most of the time when this happens. Now this one I've already got locked into place, and it's locked in real good, so now we got to unlock it here. But some people get the impression that this thing's good because you'll plug it in and then you'll twist this thing a little bit, and some people will assume that it's snapped into place. If you can see any type of gap right here, it's not locked into place. Now a lot of people will stick these in here and they'll twist this around and they'll think it's locked in place, but your actual prongs where your wires go are not inside there. So you make sure everything is lined up exactly the way it's supposed to be at. Stick it in there, push up against it nice and firmly, and then twist this around. Don't stop when it gets right here. Turn until you can feel it pop. Sometimes it'll take a little bit of extra effort. I could feel it pop right there. Now I know that this is locked. This ensures me that this is all plugged up. When you're losing all that stuff on the dash, these cars will crank. It'll crank and crank and crank and crank, but it will not come on. Your fuel pump will not come on. None of your gauges will come on. 90-some% of the time, it is this right here. This wiring harness plug-in is the problem most of the time. And if you got these dirty mechanics out here who look at it and see this within just a few seconds, they're liable to tell you all kinds of things are wrong with your vehicle. They're probably going to tell you that something grounded out. And if it grounded out, guess what? They're going to charge you for that. They might charge you for a new ignition coil. They might charge you for a starter. The lady on this particular vehicle got burned by a mechanic for that very reason.